Hello guys, good morning, good afternoon and good evening. This is update of our site work at Abia State. 3-bedroom apartment. We have underground in this particular structure and the pent floor. Last time I did a video concerning this apartment is when we are at the lintel level. Right now we have connected the front columns and the beam. So we are about to cast the columns. So as you can see, this is how it's going to look like, and once we have gotten the level for the parapet, so we are going to start our parapet work. So this is the entrance porch. The entrance porch will have about 6 meters by 5 meters. This is the beam. And this is the second beam. And we have this other direction here. Look at your work here. Look at this, is looking out. So the level, the parapet level is very high from the window. I think we have about 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 scores. About 6 scores to our parapet level. So when you are looking at this video, it's going to be very high. Very high. That's exactly what our client wants. From the dining, you can access the underground apartment, which is this way, and from this way you can equally go straight to the pent floor. Okay, this way can lead you back to the entrance porch, while this other place leads to the master bedroom, and you have the kitchen unit here and one other bedroom here. So by tomorrow or next tomorrow, I'm going to be updating you guys on the parapet work, but I believe by then we must have been done with the leveling. Thank you guys. Bye for now.